What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and today I'm going to talk about Clickfunnels 2.0. So this is really amazing because with this software we're going to be able to create blogs, courses, funnels, workflows, emails, products, and many more things. So I'm going to click here on Site and Funnels. So you can see I have selected a thing which I can customize if I want. Then if you see here, I can create blogs, which is really impressive because we use WordPress for that thing, but Clickfunnels 2.0 has this feature. Here we have the customer center, the affiliate center is coming soon. Here we can create the funnels, which are really important to an online business. Then we can create pages. So I have here the theme pages. Then I have pages for my site and for the funnels. The URL redirects, conversion booster is coming soon. I can create my own courses here. I can buy domains in Google, and also I can connect an existing domain and URLs. I'm going to go here because one of the best things that Clickfunnels 2.0 has compared with the first version is that here we only create a product only once. Instead of the first version, we need to create the same product on every funnel. So the collections is coming soon, discounts, inventory for physical products, and the tags. I have here my orders tags. If someone buy only for one time or recurring, I have here in this dashboard, I'm going to have here all the data, the subscriptions, draft orders, abandon, and order tags. This is the contacts tag, in which I'm going to be able to see here my subscribers. I can create tags, segments. I can import contacts from other platforms such as GetResponse or MailChimp. I have here the analytics, and this is great because we're going to be able to see our sales, the course progress, the opt-ins, the page views, the subscriptions, and also we have here a live view. So it's really amazing. The marketing tab, it's interesting because we're going to create here our workflows, or if we need to send a broadcast email, we're going to be able to select email templates. Countdown timers and events and deadlines are coming soon. The sales pipelines, help organize, value, and usher sales from the start to finish. Create your first sales pipeline now. View apps, conversations, appointment, brand management, phone calls, lead scrolling. So this software it's interesting, guys, because we have like many features for an online business, and the last things, the payments. So I'm going to upload more trainings about the software and how can we use this software with affiliate marketing, so we can have like a full tutorial and great and valuable information on how to use it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this information, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, comment below. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.